Hello guys, we will discuss the regulation in the CNC workshop. If we enter the workshop, we must wear pack because we must protect our property from its accident. Must close the engine door when the engine is running, because otherwise it could endanger our safety. You machine the welding machine from the plate place on the machine. Otherwise, blemish can occur. As either pokes when having work-up takes, because otherwise our hearing will be disturbed. Don't look directly at the cutting fair as face and eyes protected to avoid going blind. Don't pick objects carelessly on the road because they tend cause tripping. Put them in a safer place. Plan on the CNC machine as this may endanger the operator with the range of electric shock. Wearing safety shoes is very necessary when in the workshop. If you don't wear them, it can have fatal consequences for your feet.